Here's a hard truth about modern smartphones. They all look the same and most of them die by 5 p.m. But what if your phone had an AI that actually edits your videos for you and a battery that survives for 2 days without looking like a literal brick? That completely changes how you travel, create, and survive your daily commute. Today, we are unboxing the brand new Honor 600 5G in this stunning orange colorway. I am Fluffy from techbeatph.com and we are going to dive deep into why this might be the smartest camera phone of the year. Hit that subscribe button right now and let us get technical. Let us get this box open. Straight away, we are greeted by the Honor 600 5G in orange. Our editor-in-chief is obsessed with hardware geometry, and he noted that this is the most refined design in the number series history. It uses a unibody cold carving process with a matte metal frame. The back panel is made from a translucent, ultra-durable composite fiber. It gives you the premium look of glass, but feels warmer and is much more durable. But here is the crazy part. It weighs only 190 grams and is just 7.8 millimeters thick. They also managed to engineer the industry's narrowest black bezel at just 0.98 millimeters. It feels incredible in the hand. And do not let the elegant looks fool you. It carries IP68, IP69, and IP69K water and dust resistance, plus a 5 stars SGS certification for drop and crush resistance. It is built like a tank wearing a tuxedo. Now, let us talk about the real reason you are watching of the camera. The back houses a massive 200MP ultra clear night camera on a large 1/14" sensor. For the common man, having 200 megapixels means you can crop into your photos heavily without them turning into a blurry, pixelated mess. But nighttime is where this phone flexes. It features SIPA 6 professional-grade optical image stabilization. This physically moves the lens to counteract your shaky hands, which is normally a feature reserved for high-end mirrorless cameras. Combined with their flagship-grade AI night algorithms and AI cloud enhancement, you get incredibly bright and sharp photos in dimly lit restaurants or dark city streets. There is also an AI color engine that fixes those awful yellow color casts you get from indoor lighting, ensuring true-to-life tones. Oh, and if you are wondering about selfies, it packs a 50MP front camera. The Honor 600 5G is not just a camera, it is an AI powerhouse. They introduced an industry-exclusive feature called AI Image to Video 2. You can literally take a few still photos, add a text prompt, and the AI will generate a 3 to 8 second cinematic video sequence for you. It is an absolute cheat code for your social media reels. It also features a physical AI button on the side of the device. Press it and you get instant access to the Honor AI agent. This includes screen recognition that understands what you are looking at and a booking agent that helps you secure travel plan. And for my favorite feature, the AI Photos agent. You can use natural language to edit photos. Just type "remove the background" and it is done. You also get Magic Color, which lets you apply iconic color emulations from brands like Hasselblad, Leica, and Fujifilm with a single tap. Powering all of this AI requires serious juice. Somehow, Honor crammed a massive 7000 mAh battery into this 7.8mm thin frame. This is a genuine 2-day battery under heavy use, supported by an AI battery scheduling engine that manages power across your app. When you need to top up, the 80W wired Honor Supercharge gets you back in action incredibly fast. It even supports 27W reverse charging, meaning you can use this phone to charge an iPhone. You will be staring at a beautiful 6.57-inch AMOLED screen pushing a 120Hz refresh rate. It hits a staggering 8000 nits of peak HDR brightness, meaning you can easily read your screen under the harsh midday sun. Plus, it features 3840Hz risk-free PWM dimming, which drastically reduces eye strain during those late-night scrolling sessions. Under the hood, everything runs flawlessly thanks to the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor. It is time for my take. The Honor 605G completely shatters the expectations of what a mid-range device should be. Usually, if you want a 7000 mAh battery, you have to carry a device that looks like a rugged construction tool. Honor gave us that massive power in a sleek, fashion-forward orange unibody. The 200MP camera with CIPA 6 stabilization delivers genuinely impressive night photography, and the AI features like Image to Video 2 actually save you time instead of just being a marketing gimmick. Because it masterfully balances premium design, an ultra-bright display, and industry-leading battery endurance without compromise, we are officially giving the Honor 605G the techbeatph.com gold rating. It is a phenomenal tool for both mobile creators and everyday users. If you are tired of your phone dying before dinner, the Honor 605G might be your next upgrade. What is your favorite AI feature on this device? Let me know down in the comments. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe to techbeatph.com for more honest, no-nonsense hardware breakdowns. You can read our full technical feature over at techbeatph.com. I am Fluffy. Keep creating and stay technical.